Welcome to day 2 of our 6th week of making live calls, cold calling and follow-up calls. We have had really nice calls with some of these sellers the past couple of episodes or videos, and so we're going to continue. We have commitment to do this for a year. And so that you can see how far we could take things in just 1 year of just being consistent. Most of you guys out there are struggling getting deals and finding deals and motivated sellers, etc., because your consistency needs to kind of level up. So we are kind of showing you. I've just been on calls all day today. So I can't record my entire day every day, but all day long I've been on calls, following up, just kind of showing you what I've been doing. I've had very nice success today. So far, it's been a good day. We got 2 secret lenders, so 2 people to fund our deals we got today. So we need to continue to get lenders. So this business really quickly is all about raising money and finding deals. So an easy way to remember is what is your job as a real estate investor is twofold. First, we're looking for deals. And number 2, we're looking for dollars. That's it. So keep it simple. So we need deals, good deals, and then we need dollars to buy those deals. We can wholesale them, we can resell them to other investors, etc. But to close on the deals, we need money. So if you want me to make a video about that, comment below and let me know, because I can kind of show you what we do to raise capital, etc., to find deals or find dollars for our deals. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share this with people, comment, hit the notification bell below. So let's get into what we do, finding deals every single day. The good thing about raising money is that you don't have to be as consistent raising money. If you know what you're doing, that's easy, and you find one lender, and one lender can continue to fund your flips or fund your wholesale deals, which you should probably wholesale those deals, or you can find another money friend to buy properties together. So you JV with them and you share the cash flow. So you can do this to begin your career without any money on your part. Okay, so let's call somebody that we got last night. Let's see, Elaine. So the property is rented out for $750 per month. It has two beds, 1 bath. She's a former real estate agent. So realtor.com has it at $278. Zillow has it at $319. Okay, and she wants how much? Oh, she doesn't have an asking price at the moment. Okay, let's see what Privy says. So we take this. We're going to go to Privy. Today's session is going to be shorter, simply because we have, from the calls that I've been making, I'm so darn busy. I just advertised on Marketplace on Facebook to hire people. I am telling you, you do this, it blows up your business. It's especially right now in this in 2022, it's a good market for investors. So make sure that you take advantage of a declining market. And like I said, this video in a declining market, let's just say we go through a bull market here in the next 10 years or so. You know, so you're gonna have a declining market in the future, 10, 20 years from today. So make sure that you watch this video into the future, you know, 20, 30 years from today. It's going to be still the same game. We spoke to Mr. Jim yesterday, as you guys saw. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. But he's been investing for 50 years and is the same principles. They don't change since he was a kid. And he said that he learned from his dad the same principles. So make sure that you save the videos, you save the channel, you come back regularly, go back over calls that we have made, that you remember, that sort of made sense to you, and make sure that you are studying those calls, especially what Jim said. That was not a day of cold calling per se. That was an interview with a tycoon, a real estate tycoon. So watch the previous video. Jim, the real estate tycoon, who shared lavishly his wisdom with us. Okay. So this property here, the range of it is 287 to 373, and realtor.com has it at 278. So I think we need to be below 278 on the purchase. Confidence is 4. So yeah, I mean, these videos are not exciting at all. I saw a meme that really kind of like resonated with me. It said, do the boring stuff. Go to bed early, wake up early, work out every day, make your calls daily, you know, read daily, that type of stuff. Do all the boring stuff. So these videos are long and boring for a reason, because I want you to see the reality, how we do the business. I don't want to put a bunch of fancy stuff in front of you to try to get you to click and see my videos. I'm not looking to have 100 million views in my videos. I'm just looking to help one person at a time. Reach out to me if you need help. The comments below, etc. So let's go ahead and call now Elaine. First thing we do is we go ahead and text her. Hello, Elaine, this is Ben. Husband's name is Peter. Okay. Let's see.
Hello, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number.
Okay, so that's a landline. Okay, so I just made the notes that I tried contacting them, but I got a landline, I got the voicemail, so I am making now myself a reminder to talk to them later. So I moved them from one stage in my CRM to another stage. in that stage is called attempted contact. Okay. So I just got a notification on my phone. So we are pretty much going to leave it there for today. So today was just mostly a quick video about mindset. And I am blowing up, so I have to think about things for the future of this channel, because I'm getting really, really busy. I'm putting a lot of time into these videos, but I'm going to keep doing it. My commitment is to make sure that you are doing the same thing. So we've been at this for 6 weeks, consistently calling with you guys. And we have gotten a fantastic return on our time. I mean, we have so far in the last 6 weeks, we have about 5 new lenders. And then we have about 6, 7 properties under contract just from the stuff that we've done on these videos. That is not counting the stuff that we've done outside of these videos. So please share, like. I know today was a short video. We're gonna leave it there today because I just got something I got to do very fast, etc. But the whole time, as we are kind of going into a new phase in this channel, because we're getting really good results, I want you to go back on the videos and I want you to start commenting. I want you to, I'm going to put my email address below. Feel free to send me an email and just kind of see if there are things that you want me to do, talk about and show you, etc. Send me an email, put a comment below. If you need help, drop a comment below. I will do some actual live calls and get on like a live video, like a go live on YouTube, and then answer things live. But that's going to come at a later time. So I want you to be thinking about that. I want you to think about the progress that we together have been making in this channel, getting deals, etc. I want you to go back to the last video and listen to the conversation we had with Jim, the real estate tycoon, and I want you to give me feedback on that. So we're gonna leave it there for today, but I will see you tomorrow, and that's a promise. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.